This entire cinematic anime motorcycle race was created with Seedance 2.5 and Blender, but the interesting part is that I didn't animate anything manually inside Blender. Instead, I used Claude Desktop to build the 3D scene and control the exact camera movement for me. Here's how. First, open Claude, navigate the Blender prompt director skill, type Start, and describe the scene you want to create. For this shot, I tell Claude to create a high-speed anime motorcycle race centered around a dramatic overtaking sequence where our main rider is in third place, with racers number 2 and 1 directly ahead. Claude then creates an image prompt for the opening frame and asks how I want the camera to move. For the camera, I choose a tracking shot that stays focused on rider number 3 throughout the overtaking sequence. Once the camera's path is locked in, continue and allow Claude to control Blender. If we switch over to Blender, you can actually watch it create the racing circuit, add the motorcycles and riders, position the camera, and animate the entire overtaking sequence. The camera stays focused on our main rider while tracking alongside him as he catches number 2, passes him, and then pushes forward to overtake number 1. Next, we need to establish what our final anime scene should actually look like. For this, capture the first frame of the Blender animation, then go back to Claude and copy the image prompt it created earlier. Now head over to OpenArt, upload the Blender frame together with references of the main racers, paste in the prompt, and generate your starting image. Now we have two important references. The generated anime image controls what the scene looks like, and the Blender animation controls exactly how the camera, motorcycles, and overtaking sequence should move. Next, go to the Video tab, and here select Seedance 2.5. Now upload the Blender animation as your video reference. Then upload the generated starting image, paste in the prompt, set the duration, and generate. And this is the result. When you compare the final Seedance video with the Blender animation, you can see that the camera follows almost the exact tracking movement we designed while transforming the basic 3D scene into a fully cinematic anime race. And that's the power of this workflow. Blender gives you precise control over the shot, and AI turns it into the final cinematic result. If you want to try it yourself, I'll link everything you need in the description below. And that's it for this one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.